Yummy!
What's going on, everybody? I'm the Canyon Man, and today we're gonna eat backbone soup, Gamjatang. It's a traditional Korean soup my wife prepared, and what it has in there is some backbone from pork, some potato. It has some delicious red chili peppers in there to give it flavor, and it also has an egg. We have manari, perilla leaves, gives it the flavor. We're gonna cut those in there later. And then we have some side dishes, some radish leaf kimchi. We have some rice, some garlic, and some onion. Do I need to cut that in now? The manari I can add later, right? Yeah, because I want to cook the perilla leaf a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm adding some perilla leaf so we can give it some flavor. So actually, this perilla leaf is from our garden. I grew this, so it's delicious. Very healthy, all natural. Let's put a little bit more, because you know what? I love this perilla leaf. Delicious. So what you can do with the perilla leaf too is, I'm gonna show you. You open up this, right? Boom. Rice. Boom, like that. Perilla leaf like this. Radish leaf kimchi. Oh man. It's time for Soju. Jang. Ah. Oh. Sorry. So we're gonna let this boil up a little bit right here. Get the flavor. Get that potato in there. The egg's already cooked, so this backbone soup is close to being the Mexican style of pozole. And Mexicans, they like to cook the backbone soup with pork backbone with hominy, and then they make pozole with red chili peppers, and they eat that with corn tortillas. So this is kind of close to that. Majority of the time that they eat this particular dish is after a lot of soju, a lot of beer, a lot of tequila. Then they'll eat this kind of soup for hangover soup. It's that good stuff. Manari. Manari. The flavor of manari is My wife doesn't like my beard, so if you guys don't like the beard, put in the comment and say shave the beard, and I'll take you guys' advice and I'll shave the beard. So I want to give you guys the content and let you guys be the judge of that. Okay, thanks. All right guys, let's get back to eating. I don't like my manari overcooked. I like it just like that. Manari, pork. Oh, look at that. Ah. So my wife, she has a sauce that she makes to dip the meat in. So there's probably different ways to eat this soup. Normally you just eat the bone, the meat off the bone, dip it in the sauce, and then onion. 맛있다. 맛있어요. There's other ways you can do it where you can get the meat, put it on a perilla leaf like this, get a little garlic. I love garlic. I love garlic. It's very healthy for you. You put some onions in there too for flavor, right? Make a little some, maybe a little kimchi. Put it in there like that. There you go. The meat flavor. The meat is so tender and soft. It's like butter, it just melts in your mouth. My wife has her own recipe, so this is really good. Everybody out there has their own recipe. Dun, dun. Ugh. Oh. Oh. All the manati's tangled up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Manati. Cooked manati. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Let's make a little some. I know normally you probably wouldn't put a some and some. Normally you wouldn't put a some together on a soup. Maybe you would, but whatever makes the meal better, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make it delicious. This is delicious to me. Mm. 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 So we just finished all the meat in the pot. Soju. Soju. My wife's gonna grab this and put it in there, and we're gonna finish it off. Second round. Second round. Hell yeah. Soju time. Look at that. Ah, let's taste it. You can taste the manari. Soju. Oh, 맛있어요.
맛있어?
That burned my mouth. Woo. Okay, one more bite. Okay. Oh, shoot. You say you don't want no more. Okay. When you eat Korean food, you can't say no to soju, okay? Some say, oh, I'm done. I don't want to drink no more. And then they eat more Korean food, bring the soju out, eat more, second round. And, oh, I thought you said no. You don't want no more drink. Oh, just pour it. Okay. Jang. Ooh, jujube with manati. Look. Wow, so delicious. Okay, rest for me, okay? Rabbit, what happened to my rice? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start eating the last part of egg. Oh. 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 I need Soju. Oh, it was hot. Woo. Damn, I'm sweating a lot. Thank you for watching our video. What's the next meal we should eat? Today I'm gonna eat Gamjatang. Gamjatang. So today I'm gonna eat Gamjatang. Jujubi? Jujubi? Sujebi. 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 You said Sujubi? Sujebi.